Hey everybody, and welcome back to L&B Outdoors. Well, the tractor's out here in the field. Y'all haven't watched the videos on this tractor, go back and watch them. We rebuilt it, we ringed it, now we're gonna put it to work. Y'all stay tuned. So we got a couple areas that's like this. In between the hay fields, you can see across the pond over there's a hay field. Here's a hay field. So all this broom sage and stuff that I normally don't get cut during the season, we're gonna put the bush hog off in it and try to knock it down, make everything look good for the start of the new year. So let's get started and let this thing run a little bit. All right, let's get her cranked up. Fuel on. took about 15-20 minutes. We got all the way to the road right beside this pond. Tractor's doing good so far. We're gonna go hit another little area. Well, I had to put her turn limitations to see how far she can go. And that was a little much, a little thick. And I knew that. Well, we gotta make it fun on this, right? Alright, let's crank her back up. Uh-oh. My battery has come loose. Let's see if we can get this ground. I normally don't tighten up my battery cables. Right proud of it. Let's get this cleaned off and get it back to the house. And we'll be done with it for this round. Well, she's back under the barn. Old girl did good. Right proud of her. Still got to blow off some of that grass and stuff off the deck of that mower. But overall, man, makes it a lot easier when you got a live PTO on certain things. Now, I will show you and tell you on this oil pan, if you've never done one before, that is fun trying to get the front seal and back seal, like half moon seals in there. So I noticed I'm leaking on them corners. You know what? I think some silicone will take care of that. Not too much worried about it. It did great. We bogged it down one time to see how much it would take to do it. And she done good. She did smoke a little black smoke under a heavy duty load right before she did choke down. So that's normal. Not too bad for a $130 rebuild. I did forget in the last video to mention when we did the rings and head gasket and oil pan gasket, I did put a new set of rod bearings in it since we have the rods out. But everything else is still the same. She done pretty good under load. Mowed for us. Got a lot done. She never ran hot. So she's a keeper. But listen, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video.